Okay, this is the bottom piece of the trestle table, and this is my center section. There's going to be a through tenon through here that will be wedged, which I made. I want to cut the hole nice and square to fit that. So I have a pattern here, and it's centered to the panel. And this one is almost complete. And the way I did that is, if we look down here, I drew out the position of the hole, the mortise, and I took my square and I cut in with a knife to make sure I have a clean cut. Then I've done this and set that in the knife hole so I can tap it and slide it along like that. Go around, and then I can chip it out a little bit. So that's nice and clean. And what will happen is, when I now cut it with my jigsaw to get close to it, I'm using the Festool jigsaw. It has an interesting little piece here that prevents it from chipping, and it has a strobe and a light. And I'll move this panel out and cut that out, and then go back in and clean up the edges with my chisels. And hopefully it'll fit nice and tight.